Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, the beginning of the week. So I sound like I'm excited, don't I? Oh, well, I just changed into this bag. So I just wanted to show y'all what I had inside of her. And this is the Juicy Couture Powder Blush. Let's see if we can see what this is. Obsession Satchel, okay? Here it is. Okay, yep. All right. She is so pretty. I love the bling on the outside here. I didn't put any charms or anything on here because to me the bling is enough. I think it's just so pretty. I didn't think it needed anything, so I didn't put anything on it. So yeah, she is so pretty. Top handle. Also has a shoulder strap that you can change into a crossbody if you need to. You need to adjust it for that. And it has the J on the zipper pull. And the color that you see on the screen, that is the true color of the bag. She is pretty, a real pretty pink. So this is an overview of how she looks inside. Okay, so let's get started. First, I'm gonna get out is I have this Juicy Couture wallet. She's so cute. I love the JC with the bling on it. So cute. Yeah, that's the front, and then the back just has a ID window, which I'm not gonna show because my ID is in it, but it does have an ID window on the back, and zips around, and you can put your change in here. Plenty of room to put your change in here because it zips around. Okay. And then the inside, just you have some card slots in the inside. Okay. You have three on this side, and then 3 on the other side over here. I'm just not showing my other stuff, but yeah, she's cute. And it has Juicy Couture on the zipper pull, just like that. But yeah, she is a cute little wallet. I just have my earbuds. This heart wristlet, so cute. I love the puffy hearts on here. I just took this and slid it up here. I usually take this off, but this time I didn't. I just slid it up and put it on there like that, so it won't be in the way of my purse. So inside, let me tell you the name of this. Is the Powder Blush Flawless Heart Zip Around. So there's that. Okay. And inside here, I just use this as my candy pouch, and I just have some candy and cough drops and ginger in here. Okay, so that's a little heart. I have this hand sanitizer with this little Hello Kitty sticker on it. I have this Kiss Lock pouch from Juicy Couture. And this is called Powder Blush. I can't read the rest of it, so I'm just gonna put it up so you can see what it says. Okay. And here I just have some change. There's some coins. The chain is also in here, but I have some coins in here too. I'm gonna figure out how to take this chain off because I'm never gonna use it by the chain. So I'm gonna use it just like this. So I hadn't spent any time on it trying to see how to take it off, but I do have some change in here just in case I need it. I have my You're Like Really Pretty pouch. I have some pins in here. There's some regular pins I usually carry. This is what I'm using for my bathroom pouch. It has this little butterfly charm on it. And so, I mean, you can see from the back, I have some soap sheets, antibacterial wipes, some flossers, bathroom spray, no water toothbrush, stain removal wipes, feminine wipes, makeup removal wipes, some Kleenex, alcohol wipe, and I already said soap sheets, so that's what I have in here. I have my little case in here with some more flossers, some pink, light pink flossers. I have this cute little pouch that I got from the Dollar Tree. I don't know if it was last year, year before last, something like that. But yeah, and I added this butterfly charm on here. And this is Kendall and Kylie. I got it at the Dollar Tree. So inside of here, I have my nail kit, blotting sheets, hand cream, and strawberry. My NYX butter gloss. I want to say the color is Eclair. I think this is what this is. Okay. My CoverGirl Yummy Gloss, cuticle oil, brow and lash clear gel mascara, and another NYX butter gloss. My Yara perfume. So that's it in there. This is the phone case that I'm using with my bag, with the bows on it and the heart. So cute. These are my other ear pods from Apple. Power bank. And I have my planner in here. Okay. And then that is it in the bag. Now in the back pocket, I have my Tylenol and Benadryl, and my extra set of keys. Okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna come back so y'all can see everything together. So I'll be right back. Here is a complete look of everything together. I hope y'all enjoyed the video and have a wonderful Sunday. Bye.